Welcome back to the Travelling Bear with TIStubear. Well, with motorhomes, there's always something that needs doing, and I've got a bit of a problem at the moment. See, let's point that up in that direction. The skylight. There's a couple of cracks up on there that have appeared. We've put some Gorilla Tape on there as a temporary fix, and also by the hinges as well. That's where the water's been coming in. Okay, only doing it when it's really heavy rain, but the problem is you can't get this particular one anymore. They've stopped making that. Isn't that just typical? So what we're having to do is to down at Elite Motorhomes in Banbury, they've got something which is going to replace that. So we're going to pop down to Elite Motorhomes and we'll show you around as well. It's a fantastic facility they've got down there. So we'll tell you all about it down in Banbury. So stay with us and we'll catch you later. Well, it's early morning and we're down here, made it down to Elite Motorhomes, and as we showed you earlier in the video, they're going to replace that broken skylight. So we're going to take you around, show you and tell you all about Elite Motorhomes. So of course, stay with us right here. Here we are. This is the workshop and a hive of activity. As you can see, they've got 4 motorhomes that they're working on, and most importantly, they're working on TIStubears. And as we told you earlier, it's the skylight that they're actually replacing. There it is. There's the old skylight. Before we show you any more of that, there's the new one. They're going to be fitting that. But let's just go for a quick walkabout. Now, we're quite privileged to be able to do this. You're not normally allowed to be in here, but let's go round. There we go. As you can see, they're all working away. That's the big gap at the moment, and the guys are actually going to be putting the new one in. Let's have a look. So thankfully, not too much water has got in there, so there's no damage. And you can see the thickness. Look at that. That's why on these motorhomes you can actually stand on the roof. I don't recommend it, but anyway. There you have it, simple as that. That's the workshop down here at Elite Motorhomes. That's the workshop. We'll go back through to the waiting area and their little shop that they've got here. They can get anything that you need, actually. There's a few bits and bobs that they have, and of course you've got somewhere here. There's a coffee machine, so this is where you'd go in and just wait. So we've just been into the workshop, and as you saw, that's an absolute hive of activity, and we're out here, and I've literally just bumped into Joe. Hi there, Joe. Hi. And hey, Joe, how long have you been working down here?
So I've been here 5 years now.
Yeah, five years. And how long has the actual Elite company been here?
The company's been here over 28 years now.
I can see the show sons you've got here. So you do obviously second-hand vehicles, but also you're main importer for lots of different, you sell...
Yeah, we sell Auto Trail,
Yep.
Bailey, Showson, Death Lefts, and our newest brand is Sunlight. And of course, yeah, we've got lots of used vehicles in stock as well.
It's not just about selling motorhomes. There's way more to it than that, isn't there? So tell us a few other things that they actually do down here to Elite Motorhomes.
Yeah, our main thing is selling motorhomes. That's most of what we do, but of course we do all the servicing and repairs. We can look after you from start to finish of your journey.
Okay, and you do the MOTs?
Well, of course we do MOTs, yeah.
MOTs, if people need tyres?
Well, yeah, tyres here.
Everything, cam belts, all of that. And also, the great thing about this place is it's where it's situated in England. I mean, whereabouts are we?
So we're in Banbury, junction 11 of the M40, so right in the centre, convenient for anywhere in the country. So.
Well, it certainly is. That's what it appeals for me. I actually bought mine way back in 2013. It's a show sign, absolutely love it, and that's why we're down here.
Still going strong.
It is, I love it. Okay, hey, well, Joe, thank you very much indeed, and keep on doing what you do right down here
Thanks,
at Elite Motorhomes.
Cheers.
And they also have a team of people, as we will see in just a moment, cleaning, washing the motorhomes. So, and I believe you can actually bring your motorhome down here, and I'm sure they'll clean it. And also, they could do the roofs as well, which is an absolute bonus. We've got a lady here cleaning this, doing a great job. And if you don't mind me asking, what's your name?
Hazel.
Here's Hazel.
Hi.
And how long have you been working down here, Hazel?
20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic. And a quick question for you.
Yeah.
Can, I mean, are these part of the ones they're selling, or can people book to have the motorhome cleaned?
Yes, we do both.
Yeah.
So this one in particular is a handover vehicle. It's been sold and it's going tomorrow. So the customer's picking it up to take on their adventures from tomorrow. So I'm just doing its last minute cleaning before they come and pick it up.
Nice one. And I noticed that up there you can also do the roof as well, can't
We've
you?
got steps up there. So this is the gantry. So it's safe for me to be able to do the roof without standing on the roof.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, I won't hinder you anymore. And
Well, you might get wet if you stay there much
yeah,
longer.
exactly. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, you'll certainly find lots of choice down here at Elite Motorhomes. Let's go round and have a quick look. So if you're looking for either a new motorhome or second-hand, just look at the scope they have here. We're just about to leave down here at Elite. They've done the brand new, you can see it. There it is, the new Skylight. Let's just double check that it opens. There we go. So, fingers crossed that fingers crossed. So thank you very much everybody down here at Elite for doing that, and of course to all the viewers right here on the Travelling Bear with TIStubear. We'll catch you later.
I wish I knew